Good afternoon, everyone. Today we're going to look for the sum of the reciprocals of two consecutive integers being 11 over 30, and we're going to find these two integers. So this isn't going to be too long of a solution. We have the sum of the reciprocals of two consecutive integers. So let's name the first integer x, let's say, because we have infinite freedom to call it whatever we want. And then the second integer has to be the one right after it. And so now we don't have any freedom for this one. If the first one is x, then the second one has to be x plus 1, right? Therefore, they are consecutive integers. Now, the sum of their reciprocals means the reciprocal of x is 1 over x plus the reciprocal of 1 over x plus 1 plus the reciprocal of x plus 1, which is 1 over x plus 1. And so the sum of these two reciprocals is 11 over 30. That's what we're given. And so now we're going to solve for x, and then we can get x and, of course, x plus 1 for the two integers in question. So to solve this equation, let's multiply both sides by both of these factors. Okay? So what we'll do is we'll multiply both sides by x times x plus 1, and we'll do the same thing here. So on the left-hand side, we're going to multiply through to hit both terms. X times x plus 1 times 1 over x. The x's are going to cancel out. And so we'll just have 1 times x plus 1, which is x plus 1, plus x times x plus 1 times 1 over x plus 1. This time, the x plus 1 factors will cancel out. So all that'll be left will be the 1 times the x, meaning plus x. And on the other side, we'll have 11x times x plus 1 all over 30. Now, we probably don't want to deal with a denominator here, so let's multiply both sides by 30 now. So we'll do times 30, and we'll do times 30. So the 30s on the right-hand side cancel out. So here, this is going to be 2x plus 1, right? 2x plus 1 times 30 means we get 60x plus 30. And that's going to be equal to, now we can multiply through these brackets, right? So that'll be 11x squared plus 11x. And now we have a quadratic equation. Let's move everything onto one side. So I'll subtract 60x from both sides, like so. And then, I'll subtract 30 from both sides, setting one side equal to 0, the same way we always do. So we have 0 is equal to 11x squared minus 49x minus 30. And now we can use the quadratic formula, or if we're able to, we could use decomposition. What numbers add to make negative 49 and simultaneously multiply to make 11 times negative 30, which is negative 330. You might be able to think this one through. That would be, what would that be? That would be, we could do, what could we do? Let's think this one through. 33 and 10 won't work. 30 and 11 won't work. What else do we have? We have 5 and 66. That won't work. We have what do we have here? 11 times 30. We could do 22 and 15. That won't work. Or we can do 33 and 10. We can do 55 and 6. We can do negative 55 and positive 6. That was a fun one. We can use decomposition and break this up as 11x squared minus 55x plus 6x minus 30. And now you guys know how to factor these, first two and last two. So 0 is equal to 11x times x minus 5 plus 6 times x minus 5, right? And now we can fully factor this as 11x plus 6 times x minus 5, meaning that we get solutions to be x is equal to negative 6 over 11, or x is equal to positive 5. We were given direct instructions at the beginning that x and x plus 1 had to be integers. Obviously, negative 6/11 does not fit that bill. And so our one and only solution for x is for x to be equal to 5. And so that means that our first integer is just x, which means it is 5. And our second integer we called to be x plus 1, meaning 5 plus 1, meaning 6. And there we go. We can check this fairly quickly. We could verify by doing 1 over 5 plus 1 over 6 and verifying if that's equal to 11 over 30. Getting a common denominator means we do times 6 and times 5. So we have 6 over 30 plus 5 over 30 being possibly equal to 11 over 30. And it is absolutely the case that that works out, 11 over 30 on both sides. Means that our solution of x equals 5 is correct. And so there we go. There we have it. One unique solution. I hope that helps. And thanks for watching.